It's Saturday, February 4th. And I've had several surprises today. And one of them is my grandson, Tyler. Who knew he was coming? And he's modeling this tentacular hat, which is amazing. It was so exciting to have him. So do you want to say hi? Do you have something to say to all those wonderful people out there?
Hi, my name's Tyler, and I like to build Legos.
Yes, you do. And you weave on a loom too, don't you? Hot pads?
Uh-huh.
Yes.
And I made this in a club.
Oh.
It's a friendship bracelet.
It's amazing. It almost looks like a crochet thing. Was it like crocheting?
Yeah.
Looping through? Yep. Excellent. All right. Talent abounds everywhere. All right. So that's my big news today. We were busy. This was a surprise visit. Did not know they were coming in town. So glad to have Tyler and Chelsea and Evan for the night tonight, which is a surprise. It's always good to have a surprise. I know somebody's going to want to know what this is. And I knit it a very long time ago. And so did Lynn Boness. And so between the two of us, I'll figure out the name by Monday. How's that? All right. I think that's all I have for you. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Can you look at them and say bye?
Bye.
Look up. There you
Bye.
go. All right.